Greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we shall learn how to create Analytic account in Axanta ERP. Analytic accounts are nothing but cost and profit centers that helps you to track the cost and revenues. So, in order to create Analytic accounts, we need to click on Menu. Then, go to the Accounting module. Under Configurations, you will find Analytic account. Now here, you can see there are various Analytic account created. Let's say that you have a business in which you have 5 branches. So in such case, you don't need to create 5 different sales accounts for each branch. Instead, you can create Analytic accounts for each branch. So as you can see, we have created Analytic accounts for branch 1, branch 2, branch 3, and branch 4. Now let's create an Analytic account for branch 5. In order to create the Analytic account for branch 5, we'll click on New. Here we shall give a name to the account as branch 5. Then here, you can give a reference as well. And here, you have the Analytic plan. So basically, Analytic plans works as the category that groups your Analytic accounts. So let's say you are running a retail or wholesale business where you are working on different projects, having different branches, and having multiple departments. So in this case, you can create 3 Analytic plans, such as department, branches, and projects. To create Analytic plans, click on the configuration, and under Analytic Accounting, you will find Analytic plan. Kindly note, while creating the Analytic plan, you can also have hierarchy levels as well. For this demo, we have created Analytic plan as branches. So we'll select this and click on Save. Kindly note that while creating Analytic account, only one plan can be assigned to each Analytic account. So based on the Analytic plans, you can take financial reports like balance sheet, profit and loss report, and so on. So, this is how you can create Analytic accounts in Axanta ERP.